I'm Chris Harrow at Keller Williams Realty. If you've ever been to Hilton Head, sites like the Harbor Town Lighthouse, golf courses, and Atlantic beaches come to mind right away. This is one of Southern Living Magazine's South's Best Islands, one of Coastal Living Magazine's happiest seaside towns, voted Travel and Leisure's #1 island in the continental U.S. 4 years in a row. And the Hilton Head area has become much more than a vacation spot. Hilton Head is also Bluffton, a rapidly growing mainland community just over the bridge, with smaller neighborhoods tucked in among the coastal areas bordering the May and New Rivers. One of those smaller Bluffton neighborhoods is Heritage at New Riverside, with community playground, pool, and the New River Linear Trail, a railroad-turned hiking trail that puts the great outdoors practically at your doorstep and lets you walk or ride in the century-old footprint of the Seaboard Airline Railway. The Jasper County Boat Ramp is just a short drive down Highway 46. Homes in Heritage at New Riverside range from the mid-200s to the mid-300s, with Property Owners Association fee of just $1,020 a year. This community is currently zoned for Pritchardville Elementary and May River High School. That makes an easy commute to Savannah, Bluffton, or Hilton Head. Thanks for taking the ride home today. If you've liked the view so far, check out our other video for a look inside our featured listing here at 76 Heritage Parkway. You can take an interactive self-guided 3D tour inside as well, and it's all available to you online, along with lots of photos, property details, and floor plan. Thanks for watching.